Where you from?
Oh, mommy. I'll try.
Saan pa kayo galing?
Sa Fairview po kami.
Fairview?
Yeah.
Okay. So, dun sa kulay na gusto mo, ano yung color na gusto mo?
Like this lang po.
Light ash blonde. Sate lang.
I don't
O
know.
more, mas marami yung blood na gagawin natin.
It's up to you what's more nicer.
Sige, ako nang bahala.
Okay.
Okay. So, dun
Mami.
sa haircut, ako na rin bahala. Ha?
Yes, okay.
Okay. Haba ng hair mo.
Kapal pa po.
Gupitan ko muna. Middle chest, no?
Okay.
Okay. Cut ko
Thank
muna
you.
siya. Okay. Ready ka na?
Yes, ready.
Okay.
I'm excited.
Ayan.
Thank you so much. Oh, looks so good.
Diba?
So happy.
Ito na yung transform ng buhok mo.
Wow.
Sino ka dyan? Ganda.
I'm not gonna take shower now for 3 days. Oh,
Kumusta yung layer? Okay lang?
I love it.
Okay yung haircut?
So perfect.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you
2
so
days,
much.
2 days mo siya bago paligo, ano?
2 days?
Yeah.
Okay. No swimming.
Yes. Kunin ko ng video yung likod, ha?
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you po. I love it.
Oh, ganda.
Yes, super the best.
Thank you.